how's it going on this sweet little trail. Don't know really he's going where he's going or anything, but it's pretty sweet. Uphill for a lot. Now we're coming back downhill. Feels good. The sun's not beating too hard. This is a good little hike. I like it.
It's a very good silence.
Oh, thank you.
I must say that was one of the better silence.
Took the really easy trail. I mean the really hard trail. This is a really easy trail. I just walk up it. So I'm gonna take this one back. I don't want to hike up that hill again. It's pretty high. So now we're walking through the valley. It's pretty cool. Lots of trees. Saw a cool waterfall. Hope you guys enjoy this week. This week's been really fun.